Frank, are you ready to decorate? Hey guys, so today it's a very cool, important, special, fun. What? None of these are the right word. I keep saying them, none of them are right. Today we're gonna decorate for Christmas. And we're gonna take you along with us as we decorate. We're both in Christmas shirts. Here's mine. Jacob's is there. Whatever. So we're just gonna decorate the apartment. We have all of our many totes out. We got an elf to watch, but we might just put Christmas music on. Isn't this so cool? It's an inflatable Clark Griswold. We love the Christmas family vacation. And then my grandma, I call her Gran, got us this, and she gave it to us on Thanksgiving. We were going to make a wreath. My family has a Christmas tree farm, if you didn't know, and I actually make wreaths, like during this time of year. But we think we're going to do this little, I can't think of what it's called. Little, like, candle holdery thing, and we'll put it on the table. But Jacob went ahead and put the tree up, and if you didn't know, we actually moved the couch, or didn't realize. We moved the couch over here in front of the window, so that way we can have the space, and we can have the space for the tree, because we were also afraid that the dogs would knock the tree over here, so I'm excited.
Did you do that?
No, it doesn't work. I had to wash it, so it doesn't work.
Ridiculous.
My shirt is supposed to have a sound, but it doesn't work anymore, so. Okay, so I wanted to start in here because it's not very. We didn't really decorate like a bunch of rooms, but we did decorate in here. I'll probably end up putting a candle in the bathroom because I have more Christmassy candles. Okay, first off, look at this. Look what I found in a bag. It's my freaking Marc Jacobs Dashing lipstick that's like this super punchy red, and I lost it, and now I found it. I'm really excited about that, if you couldn't tell. But we have this little thing that I got from Target that just surrounds this Yankee candle. This Celebrate Christmas candle is like my favorite Christmas candle scent. And then I just have this little white tree back there. That's really it for in here. And like I said, we'll probably put a candle in the bathroom. Here's Clark.
I love Clark.
It's so cool. It's awesome.
Worth the money.
Mm-hmm.
Up to 30 days.
Yeah. And then we have, well, of course, the tree. Here it is in all of its beautifulness. And this, I don't think that I showed in the wedding vlog, but my grandma got it for us. Isn't it so pretty? I know. And then we have our stockings. They're kind of low, but it's fine. This is like really the only thing that we had to put it on that would have really worked out, that we didn't have to open or use a ton. So yeah, we have us and the dogs, perfect. And then we have a bunch of these signs, like that one down there, and then that one. Also, if you're wondering, most of our ornaments are either Hallmark or Target.
Some from the Disney store.
Some are Disney, and then others like people gave to us or like made for us, and then our UK one. And like our stars from Target. Clark was from Target. All of these down here are from Target. The signs kind of depend. Like those two, well, that one was, the shopping one was Cracker Barrel. That one over there was TJ Maxx. And then we have these little trees here. Those are from Target. That one's leaning. I can't get it to not lean. This sign here was from TJ Maxx. And then that one there in the back is from a yard sale, I think. Yes?
The one in the back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we have this pillow here that's from Hobby Lobby. I really like it. We should have got two.
I don't remember getting it.
Of course you don't.
I think you went to Hobby Lobby without me.
I did not go to Hobby Lobby without you.
I really don't remember it.
And then we also have these pillow coverings. We actually have a bunch more, but these are the two that we chose to have out. We got those at yard sales. I do know that.
Mm-hmm.
Hat. It's just from what?
You were very excited.
I was very excited. We just have, and we put it up there. Sometimes we put it on the TV, but we didn't this time. We have these lights here from Target, clearanced out.
We have a lot of lights.
We actually do have a lot of lights. We have enough for a house, but...
We have a lot of stuff for outside as well.
Mm-hmm. And then I have this, which I told you we're probably going to do that, and we're going to put on our table here. And probably around that candle. And then we do have two more signs, well, three more signs over there. Both of those from Hobby Lobby, and then the middle one is from a yard sale. And then we have this over here, and this advent calendar I would like to replace if we found a cuter one. Plus it's like really heavy.
We found it at yard sale.
We did find it at yard sale. We also need a tree skirt. We thought we had one. I guess we don't. I don't know. And then this my grandma had forever ago, and if you turn it on, like, I don't know if there's like a magnet inside that moves or what it does, but it makes them skate around, and it's really cute. I like it. And then I don't think that we have, yeah, we haven't hung these up yet, but we do have these dish towels that are kind of like Christmassy or, you know, festive. And then I have my Smiling is my favorite little cup, and then we do have two Christmas mugs. We Wolf You a Merry Christmas and Fun Old Fashioned Griswold Family Christmas. That is that, I think. Oh, my aunt got this for me on Amazon. This at a yard sale. Either Target or Kohl's. I'm thinking Kohl's and then Target. And then that candle here was just from, or is another Yankee Candle one. Also, if you're wondering where our shirts are from, I'm pretty sure they're both from Target.
Yes.
You spend a lot of money in Target. I spend a lot of money in Target.
I have a lot more Christmas clothes than you do, though. I can almost make it the next 3 weeks of work.
Almost.
Almost.
Okay, Howdy, are you jealous? Do you want up here?
I called you up here and you denied me both times.
Come on, baby. Come on, you can make it. You can make it. Come on. You win.
Wait until they have on their Christmas sweaters.
The boys also have Christmas pajamas from Target.
Thank you.
Oh, whoops.
You hit the camera.
Didn't hit the camera. But that is everything for this video, you all. I hope that you did enjoy. Also, I don't know exactly when this is going to go up, but stay tuned for Vlogmas, because we'll be doing that every day. Jacob's truly excited about it. Yeah, now we're going to take dogs. Do you want to go outside?
Let's go potty.
Oh.
Just end it. Just end it.
No, I got to say it. Bye, guys.